Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the video. Today we are talking about something that I just discovered after 3 years of doing delivery driving. It's taking me this long to figure out that if you wake up at 6:30 in the morning and you start dashing, you're going to make really good money. All these videos and all these times that I've been dashing, I've never known that if you wake up this early and you start dashing, no one else is on the road, so you get all of the orders. So, long story short, I had some AC repair guys coming today. They told me they had to be there by 6:30. And I'm like, oh, no, I hate waking up early. Normally I don't wake up until like 10 o'clock at least. I love getting my sleep because I'm a very active person, and sleep is so important for your brain, for your body, for everything. So I'm never on any shortage of sleep. But today, I was a little short on sleep. I woke up at 6:30. AC guys were there, and I'm like, alright, I'm gonna go film some YouTube videos and do some dashing. I leave, I'm like, oh, it says super busy. That's really weird. Who the hell is ordering Doordash at 6:30 in the morning? And so I get an order. It's $12. I'm like, wow, this is a really good order. Okay. Drop it off. I'm like, alright, there's no way I'm gonna get another order. So I just go, I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get some stuff. Before I even like really pull away from the house, I get another order, and it's $13. And I'm like, this is really weird. I didn't know that there was so many like orders coming in this early. I finished that order. I'm like, alright, there's no way I'm gonna get another order. Literally, I get like 3 orders. They were pretty bad, so I didn't take them. A 4th order comes in, it's like $14. And I'm like, what is going on right now? I'm getting all these crazy orders. And I ended up making $70 in 2 hours. It is 9 o'clock right now, and I've already made $70. I'm baffled because normally I don't even wake up until 10 o'clock, and $70 is the minimum that I usually try to hit every day. That way, I mean, $70, you add it up, it ends up around $2,000 a month. So I'm just sitting here confused as to why I did not know that if you wake up at 6:30 every day, there's a ton of orders coming in. Why has no one told me that? I've said that the best times to dash were from 11 to 2 in like every single video I've ever posted, and then from 4 to 9, which is dinner time. Who knew that before breakfast people are actually ordering stuff and getting it there? And some of you guys may think or be thinking like, Tanner, duh, we dash super early every single day. But I didn't know that because I've never woken up that early and thought, I'm gonna go do some DoorDash. I was just thinking I'm gonna go film some YouTube videos and maybe I'll get lucky and get an order. Did not expect to make $70 in 2 hours before it's even 10 o'clock. So, yeah, big discovery for me today. So, I don't know, maybe I'm gonna try, maybe I'll try to do another dash super early. I really doubt that I'm actually gonna wake up, but it wasn't too bad waking up super early. Let me know down in the comments what your guys' favorite time to dash is, because, I mean, all it took was someone to comment like best times are super early in the morning, and I've never seen a comment that ever says that. So maybe my audience is as lazy as I am and they don't wake up very early. But I don't know. For me, sleep is so important. It's just super important for your brain, for how you think, for your stress, for your body's recovery. I lift a lot of weights and I do a lot of acrobatic activities and that kind of stuff. So my body is constantly moving all the time. And the most important thing for me is sleep. So I sleep a lot. I usually sleep like 9 to 10 hours every single night. And definitely no sleep shortage for me. But now I'm just thinking like, man, if I was to do the math and I made $70 from 7 to 9, and then I make another, what? Normally I make like $40 at lunchtime or so. If I made another $40 at lunchtime, which isn't hard to do at all. That's, I mean, you have a 3-hour period from 11 to 2. That's $110. And then I work the dinner shift where I make probably another $70. I could make $200 in a day. And I've always said, I don't think there's any way that I can make $200 in a day, because I've never personally made, I think the most I ever made was like $185 in one day. But I didn't start until 11, and I was dashing all day long, and I did not even break 200. I've never ever broken 200 ever in my life. And I know some people are going to comment down below and say like, I make $200 every single day. I will believe it when I see it, because it's very hard to make that much money, especially doing DoorDash, unless you are doing maybe multiple apps and you are somehow teleporting from one place to another. Personally, I just don't see how you can make that much money, but I'm gonna try it today because it's only 9:50. My clock is off still. It's 9:50 and the morning is just getting started, and normally I wouldn't even wake up yet. And I'm gonna see how much money I can make today. So I'm probably just gonna cut the video off right here, because personally I don't want to make a whole daily dash about trying to make as much money as I possibly can in one day, because that would be a lot of filming. But thank you guys for watching, and again, subscribe if you guys have not. Give that video a nice big like if you also enjoyed this video, and maybe if you haven't thought about waking up at 6:30 in the morning. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.